this structure, you can progress as fast, if not faster, than someone learning Arabic physically in Egypt. Why? Because immersion without direction creates plateaus. A structure with consistency creates acceleration and quick progress. And this is why step one is a roadmap, a plan. If you don't plan to succeed, you have already planned to lose. So let's make this realistic. Most of you watching these are busy. You work full time, you have families, you have responsibilities, and that is perfect because this system was never built for someone sitting in a dorm with nothing to do. This system was built for busy people who want steady progress without giving up on responsibilities. And here's what a realistic week would look like. So from Monday to Wednesday, you watch the video lessons. Sometimes it's one video, sometimes 5 short videos. You watch them in the morning, while in the car, on your lunch break. You watch them twice. It doesn't matter. You need to watch them. You take your own notes. And then on Thursday, you extract the new words, the new expressions, the new sentence patterns, the new things that you have learned from that lesson. You write your notes, you organize them. Then on Friday and Saturday, you start memorizing and you review, you read out loud, maybe 30 to 60 minutes per day. Not for hours, not quitting your job, just consistency. Then once you understand around